Recently, I have been experimenting with display glasses, specifically the Rainio Air 3S Pro and the Air 4 Pro. Both are excellent options for their price point. However, I was looking for a feature that allows you to pin the screen in a fixed position rather than having it follow your movements. This led me to the Viture Beast, a more premium device that comes with a significantly higher price tag. In this video, I'm only focusing on the unboxing, contents, and quality of the Viture Beast display glasses. I plan to create a comparison video featuring all three glasses at a later date, so stay tuned if you want to see how they compare at their respective price points. Upon opening the package, you are immediately welcomed by a sleek, minimalist exterior that establishes a premium tone from the very beginning. The glasses are housed in a sturdy, matte finish box featuring subtle branding, which ensures that the contents are well protected by custom molded interior compartments. When you lift the lid, you will find a well-organized layout with each component neatly placed, preventing any movement during transit. Resting securely in its own dedicated cutout is the included hard-shell glasses case, which serves as the immediate centerpiece of the accessory layout. The quality of the glasses case is exceptionally robust, featuring a smooth, semi-rigid exterior shell wrapped in a tactile, high-grade fabric that resists scuffs and feels reassuringly durable in the hand. A heavy-duty zipper glides effortlessly around its contour, opening to reveal a plush, soft-lined interior, molded precisely to cradle the hardware, alongside an internal magnetic flap designed to house the USB-C data cable and prevent them from scratching the frame of the glasses. Nestled safely alongside the case are the remaining contents of the box, thoughtfully curated to ensure immediate usability. This includes a specialized prescription lens frame for users requiring vision correction and a set of swappable, differently sized nose pads to customize the ergonomic fit. A fine microfiber cleaning cloth is also tucked neatly into the packaging, accompanied by a concise quick start guide and safety documentation. The Viture Beast glasses themselves exhibit an exceptional standard of build quality, immediately striking a balance between futuristic technology and refined everyday aesthetics. Crafted with a premium aluminum magnesium frame structure, the chassis feels remarkably rigid, yet surprisingly lightweight, avoiding the cheap plastic feel common in earlier generations and more budget offerings of wearable displays. The temple arms feature smooth mechanical action at the hinges, housing discrete control buttons and seamless audio integration powered by Harman. The front optical assembly showcases large, brilliant prism lenses and electrochromic tint panels, looking every bit like a high-end luxury lifestyle accessory while packing state-of-the-art micro OLED projection technology. The physical buttons on the Viture Beast display glasses exhibit a premium standard of build quality constructed from sturdy materials that integrate flush with the aluminum magnesium temple arms. They feature a crisp tactile click response when pressed, avoiding any mushy or loose feedback and ensuring they feel reliable during blind adjustments while worn. Located at the center of the frame between the lenses is a small integrated front-facing camera. This camera is designed for basic spatial capture and serves as a hardware foundation for advanced tracking capabilities. It enables the glasses to offer built-in support for 3 degrees of freedom, which helps anchor and stabilize the virtual screen orientation. Additionally, with the dedicated Spacewalker app, users can access enhanced 6 degrees of freedom and improved spatial tracking features. Overall, I am very impressed with the build quality, materials, packaging, and contents of the Viture Beast glasses. I feel that the money I spent on them was well worth it. Although this isn't an actual review, I can confidently say that they are worth the price and far superior to budget options. As the saying goes, you get what you pay for. If you're interested in checking them out, all the links will be in the description.